الحمد لله رب العالمين الصلاة والسلام على خاتم النبيين وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين أما بعد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قال الله تعالى في سورة الأعراف قالوا يا موسى إما أن تلقي وإما أن نكون نحن الملقين. Translation: They said, O Musa, either you throw first or that we will be the first to throw. In the previous ayahs, we studied that when Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala gave the clear signs to Musa alayhi salam and he went to Pharaoh and his chieftains, they did not accept the truth and they planned to fight with Musa alayhi salam with magicians, and they gathered all the learned magicians, and Pharaoh also promised them money and high position in his government. And the magicians and Musa alayhi salam gathered at the appointed place and appointed time. Then the magicians asked Musa alayhi salam that whether you throw your things first or we will be the first to throw the magic things. It is possible that the magicians knew that Musa alayhi salam threw his stick and it became a big snake, and that might be the reason that they asked him to throw something, and that might be the reason that they showed similar magic, which we will study inshallah about the same incidents in the other surahs, that they threw their sticks and ropes and people thought that they are the snakes moving everywhere. One thing should be understood, that this competition was not from Musa alayhi salam, but when the Pharaoh and the magicians insisted about this competition, Musa alayhi salam agreed because the people were there and the truth is going to win. Musa alayhi salam had no magic. Musa alayhi salam had the clear sign, so the magicians could never beat Musa alayhi salam. That's the reason Musa alayhi salam accepted this competition, and he said what is mentioned in the next ayah. قال ألقوا فلما ألقوا سحروا أعين الناس واسترهبوهم وجاءوا بسحر عظيم. Translation: Musa said, you throw. So when they threw and moved the ropes, they bewitched the eyes of the people and frightened them and produced a great magic trick. So when Musa alayhi salam asked them to throw your magic things first, O magicians, they threw their sticks and their ropes and they bewitched the eyes, meaning that they showed the magic so that the people were seeing those sticks and ropes as snakes, and they were showing their best magic. However, their magic was not going to be successful, as we will study in the next ayahs. Let's pray that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us true understanding of Quran, connect us with the truthful people and make us steadfast on the straight path. O Allah, be pleased with us. O Allah. آمين. وآخر دعوانا عن الحمد لله رب العالمين. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.